Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 smart home lighting kits. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're looking to add some vibrant and colorful lighting to your home, the Moross Smart LED strip lights are a fantastic choice. These 32.8 feet Wi-Fi RGB strips bring a whole new level of ambience to any room. With support for Apple HomeKit, Siri, Alexa, Google, and SmartThings, you have a range of options when it comes to controlling these lights. Use simple voice commands or the Moross app to turn the lights on, off, adjust brightness, or change colors. The 300 premium bright RGB LEDs provide ample illumination for your bedroom, kitchen, or even holiday parties. Plus, with the timer and scheduling feature, you can easily incorporate these lights into your daily routine. Set them to gradually brighten when you wake up and dim when you go to sleep for a seamless lighting experience. Even if your home network disconnects from the internet, you can still control the lights locally through the Moross app. These smart LED strip lights are designed for indoor use and are not waterproof. Upgrade your lighting game with the Moross Smart LED strip lights today. Our next product comes highly recommended, the Philips Hue Play Starter. Includes a Hue bridge, unlock the full power of Hue from multi-room control to custom automations, all without straining your Wi-Fi, sold separately. Extend your existing Hue Play light bar setup to a total of 3 light bars per power supply. Mount behind your television to create a TV backlight, place upright on a cabinet or lay flat on a shelf. Take gaming to the next level. Hue works with Razer Chroma LED accessories and Corsair ICUE products to sync the action on your screen with your lights and accessories. Sync with music. Hue works with Spotify and Samsung SmartThings in the Galaxy smartphone app for dynamic music syncing. Latia from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "Use them for gaming PC, great color and responsiveness." If you're looking to upgrade your home lighting and want something smart and versatile, then look no further than the Lobus 4-inch Smart Recessed Ceiling Lights. These LED lights are not only energy efficient but also come with a range of smart features that will enhance your lighting experience. With the ability to control the lights using Alexa or Google, you can easily dim them and create a cozy atmosphere in your space. The lights offer up to 16 million colors to choose from, allowing you to set the perfect mood for any occasion. You can also sync the lights with music beats for a more immersive visual experience, making them perfect for home parties and gatherings. With the Tuya app, you can schedule the lights to turn on off at specific times and even set up groups for different rooms in your home. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included hardware and instructions. Upgrade your lighting with the Lobus Smart Recessed lights and enjoy a more convenient and personalized lighting experience in your home. Introducing the Ledvance Sylvania Smart LED Flex Light Strip, a versatile and convenient lighting solution for your home. With its easy setup and compatibility with popular home assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, you can instantly transform your living space into a smart home. No additional hub or accessories are needed to enjoy the benefits of smart living. Experience the freedom of hands-free control with voice commands or use the Sylvania Smart app on your smartphone to customize your lighting preferences. With millions of colors and adjustable whites, you can create the perfect ambience for any occasion. Dim the lights for added comfort or cut the strip to achieve a custom length that fits your space perfectly. The Bluetooth mesh technology ensures a reliable and stable connection, even when using multiple smart devices. This technology improves reliability, scalability, and extends range, making it ideal for homes with existing smart devices. Designed with top-quality materials and backed by a standard 2-year warranty from Sylvania, you can trust in the durability and longevity of this product. Please note that this strip is not compatible with traditional wall dimmers and should not be installed on a circuit with a dimmer switch. For installation, it is important to avoid covering the product to prevent overheating. Additionally, this product is not designed to be submerged in liquids such as pools or exposed to puddles. Upgrade your lighting experience with the Ledvance Sylvania Smart LED Flex Light Strip and reimagine your home like never before. I hope you enjoyed our video about the top 5 smart home lighting kits. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.